looks really cool. Wait until after I've seen if the slag is skimmed off the top. That is a lot of slag. That's one problem with these metals. You guys start recording now. Oops. It's probably fine. Okay, let's see what this boy looks like. Let's open it up this way for a change. Get in here to open it up. Looks like we got coins even after all that trouble. At least I'd hope after all that trouble we get fucking coins, right? Okay. The only problem is that it's a pain in the ass getting all the sand off of this. It sticks to it. The copper just peels right off like a shell. Probably because this stuff's not nearly as hot as copper. And it's a hell of a lot stronger. Wait. Still steamy. Okay, here are the finished filed down coins, all done. As you can see, the detail's pretty good on them. This is to be expected from ZA27. Since it's not low density like aluminum, it tends to fill the molds very well. But without the problems of having to heat to high temperature, so you can produce coins a lot quicker with ZA27. And there's the backs of the coins. Maybe in a future video I'll have to demonstrate it, just how hard ZA27 is, because I've been able to scratch some steels with it, which is pretty impressive for a zinc aluminum alloy when you think about it. Well, that's basically it.